Are we on? Yeah, 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 we're on. Yeah, yeah. Sweet, sweet. Hello, hello. You may think that I'm holding a very smelly old Nike slide with a bit of foil on top. I can assure you that it is, in fact, a microphone. Now, bad news, I'm afraid, everyone. I believe this is the last week of the Epic Game Show. Absolutely tearful, tearful goodbyes in the studio. Everyone's so sad. We've been taken off the air on account of being too funny, basically. That's what the managers say. And on that note, let me tell you, what is the difference between the people that live in Dubai and the people that live in Abu Dhabi? Well, I can tell you, the people in Dubai don't like the Flintstones, but the people in Abu Dhabi do. We're ending on a high. We're ending on a high, everyone. Let's move on. Anyway, so again, we have our mental maths questions. You're going to have 12 questions, 20 seconds to answer each one. Here we go. Good luck. Number one, what is 2 less than 179? What is 2 less than 179? Number two, find the product of 5 and 8. Find the product of 5 and 8. Remember, the product is another word for multiply. Number 3. How many 10-pence stamps can you buy with 60 pence? How many 10-pence stamps can you buy for 60 pence? Number 4. How many 10-pence stamps? I've just read that. I do apologize. Let's move on swiftly. No wonder they're taking me off the air. Number 4. What is 543 rounded to the nearest hundred? What is 543 rounded to the nearest hundred? Number 5. Sue had 8 sweets, but she ate 1/4 of them. How many sweets did she eat? Sue had 8 sweets, but she ate 1/4 of them. How many sweets did she eat? Number 6. How many minutes are there in 3 hours? How many minutes are there in 3 hours? Number 7. What is 500 subtract 180? What is 500 subtract 180? Number 8. Imagine, if you can, a square-based pyramid. How many faces does a square-based pyramid have? That is, how many faces does a square-based pyramid have? Number 9. Which two of these four numbers add up to make 62? Which two of these four numbers add up to make 62? So you have to pick two numbers here that add up to 62. The numbers you can use are 15, 24, 26, or 38. So you're looking for two numbers that add up to 62. The numbers are 15, 24, 26, and 38. Number 10. How many sides does a hexagon have? How many sides does a hexagon have? Number 11. A magazine costs £1.35. How much do two magazines cost? A magazine costs £1.35. How much do two magazines cost? And your last question, potentially ever, of the epic game show. Dry those teary eyes. Tickets are £5 each. How many tickets can I buy with £28? Tickets are £5 each. How many tickets can I buy with £28? Okay, let's go through those answers. Number one, what is 2 less than 179? The answer was 177. Number two, find the product of 5 and 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Number three, how many 10-pence stamps can I buy with 60 pence? You could have bought 6. Number four, what is 543 rounded to the nearest hundred? You should have rounded that down to 500. Number five, Sue had 8 sweets. She ate 1/4 of them. How many did she eat? She ate 2. Good discipline there, Sue. I would have eaten them all. Number six, how many minutes are there in 3 hours? There are 180. Number seven, what is 500 subtract 180? The answer was 320. Number eight, how many sides does a square-based pyramid have? The answer is 5. 5 faces. Number nine, the two numbers you needed to add together to make 62 were 38 and 24. Number 10, how many sides does a hexagon have? Hex has got an X in it, so has hexagon, and so has 6. Hexagon has 6 sides. Number 11, a magazine costs £1.35. How much for 2? The answer is £2.70. And then your final question, try not to cry. Tickets are £5 each. How many can you buy with £28? You could have bought 5. So there it is. There it is, my dear, dear little croissants. The end of the epic game show. It has been a pleasure and a privilege. I hope you have all learned something as well as having fun, and I will see you in school. Farewell.